Let's learn some basic words in Kurdish. Some basic words. And the first one is question mark. What is the question mark? It is persnishan. And she or he is grazing sheep, and it becomes bez decherine. And what is housewife in Kurdish? It is bermali or kevani. A big house in Kurdish, we say maleke mezan. This suffix is important because we call this one secondary izafe, secondary connector. And another one, it is a blue sky. A blue sky means azmaneki shin. This connector is also important. It is secondary izafe, but for masculine nouns.